Hi there, my name is Sonia Ortiz, and if you're watching, you can cook. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato soup Amada style. It's a recipe from San Rafael, Veracruz in Mexico, from Claudine Thomas Meunier, and her grandma Amada was who made this recipe. Let me tell you what we're going to need because this is really good. We're going to need 4 potatoes, peeled and cut into small cubes, 5 tomatoes, half an onion, 1 garlic clove, salt to taste, 4 hard-boiled eggs. We're gonna separate the yolk from the white, and the white we're gonna chop finely. 1 liter of chicken broth, and a sprig of parsley. That's all we need, so let's get cooking. First of all, we process the tomatoes, garlic, and onion in the blender. Strain the sauce into a pan with hot oil and continue cooking for 5 minutes until it changes color to a deep red. Add the diced potatoes to the tomato sauce with the parsley. Season with salt. When the potatoes are cooked, add the chicken broth, strain the hard-boiled egg into the soup, and add the chopped hard-boiled egg yolk. Serve hot as an entree. See how easy it is to make this Mexican potato soup? Let me try it. Really delicious. It's very easy to make. If you like this recipe, please make it at home. Give us a like and share the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to You Can Cook and click on the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. See you next time.